The Nikon Z8 Mark II, a name that's already sparking excitement among photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its predecessor, the Nikon Z8, achieving notable success, but not without its challenges, the question on everyone's mind is, will the Z8 Mark II be the mirrorless king of 2025? Let's dive into the leaks, rumors, and the improvements we hope to see in Nikon's next powerhouse camera. Introduced in 2023, the Nikon Z8 earned praise for its compact design and for inheriting advanced features from the flagship Z9. Its robust 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, 8K video recording capabilities, and deep learning autofocus system made it a favorite among photographers and videographers. However, it wasn't without its challenges. Early on, users reported issues that led to recalls. Problems that Nikon quickly addressed but left room for improvement in future iterations. One of the initial recalls stemmed from lens mount issues, where certain lenses couldn't attach securely to the camera body. Nikon responded by offering free repairs even for out-of-warranty units. But just as users started to regain confidence, another issue emerged: the strap eyelets. Under significant stress, the metal components could loosen or detach, raising questions about durability. And let's not forget the overheating complaints. Prolonged 8K video recording sessions pushed the compact Z8's thermal management to its limits, frustrating videographers. These lessons have set the stage for what could be an exciting and refined Nikon Z8 Mark II. The Z8 Mark II is expected to address the build quality issues of its predecessor. Reinforced components, including stronger strap eyelets and an improved lens mount, could be on the horizon. Nikon might also use advanced materials and refined assembly techniques to ensure the camera's durability under professional use. For videographers, overheating is a deal-breaker. Nikon could introduce enhanced internal heat dissipation systems and even optional external cooling accessories. Imagine recording an uninterrupted 8K video. That's a game-changer. The Z8's ENEL15C battery, while adequate for photography, struggled during intensive video sessions. The Mark II could benefit from a redesigned battery with higher capacity or better energy efficiency. An optional battery grip with extended capacity could also cater to professionals on demanding shoots. Autofocus is where Nikon could truly shine. The Z8's deep learning subject tracking was impressive, but the Z8 Mark II might feature faster, more accurate AI-driven autofocus. Enhancements in low-light performance and customizable focus modes could elevate it even further. Feedback from Z8 users often mentioned the need for more versatile displays. The Z8 Mark II could introduce a fully articulating rear screen, offering greater flexibility for shooting at unconventional angles. Rumors suggest the Z8 Mark II might support 8K at 120 FPS and 4K at 240 FPS. Filmmakers and content creators would love these additions. Paired with a broader range of video codecs and in-camera editing tools, this could make the Z8 Mark II a hybrid shooter's dream. From AI-driven noise reduction to real-time HDR processing, computational photography could take center stage. These tools would not only simplify workflows, but also empower photographers to achieve their creative visions directly in camera. By leveraging innovative materials, Nikon could make the Z8 Mark II lighter while maintaining its rugged build. For professionals working in the field, this would enhance portability and usability. The Z8's competitive pricing played a key role in its success. If Nikon can pack all these features into the Z8 Mark II while keeping the price around $3,999 USD, it's likely to dominate the market. As for the release date, industry insiders speculate a launch in 2026, giving Nikon enough time to perfect its flagship mirrorless offering. The Nikon Z8 Mark II represents an exciting opportunity for Nikon to refine its mirrorless lineup and set a new benchmark in the industry. With enhanced durability, cutting-edge features, and a focus on user feedback, this camera could truly be the mirrorless king. What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the Nikon Z8 Mark II and other exciting camera tech.